Alright, this portion of the video will finish the iLearn tutorial. So here are notes from instructor for Unit 1. And there'll be a link to the video podcast when I make it, obviously, as well as a simple little quiz. Did you watch it? That's all you have to do. Just be honest. You watched it, you didn't watch it. I would encourage you to watch it because there's a lot of information that you'll need. Then it goes to the other assignments that are due. In red are the due dates, so you shouldn't miss them. And then again, there'll be helpful hints about this unit that pertain directly to the unit. For example, in Unit 1, we talk about genetics. It's a little tricky, I'll admit, even for myself. Like, I'm not a geneticist, I'm not a scientist, so I give you some information about what you can look at. And so obviously these will go, each unit will have these pages. So it'll give you a lot of information. As you can see here, then each chapter and each unit has a folder. And here's what I mean when I say the best way to go through the course efficiently. So you'll see that there's an introduction with everything that's due. Then there's learning objectives, and then there's a fact or fiction. This is not graded. It's just for you to do. Then you'll click on this introduction, and it will say, read these pages, answer this journal question. Now, mind you, these journal questions are listed here, but where you should respond to them is you go down to this Unit 1 reflective journal, and you can upload the document and fill it out in a journal entry format. So don't worry about copying and pasting all these journal questions. So that's one way to move through the assignment. Then when you finish that, you come to the next part. Use the journal that you downloaded to answer this. Read these pages. Answer this question. And you keep going through. Now at the end of each, and sometimes I should stop here. I mentioned there's going to be reading pages and then a video or a news article or something more to read, and you need to use that to answer the journal entry. So it's not just the textbook. There's going to be additional things. Then once you get to the end of that chapter, there'll be a reading quiz that you take. Again, you have a time limit of 20 minutes, as it says right here, and you can take 3 attempts. You can repeat it up to 3 times. The highest score will be taken. So you move through that through all, in this example, all 4 chapters. Here is where the collaborative quest is. For the first unit, it's an introduction. So you post an introduction about yourself along with a picture. To post, you click on New Thread. Everyone's combined in this unit. You must make your initial post by the end of the first week of each unit. This is mandatory. I will deduct points if you don't. That is why when you see the notes from instructor page in red, bold, initial discussion board post is due January 18th. All assignments are due January 27th. So it's right there in red in an email, announcement. I'll send reminders. In addition to your initial post, you are required to make 2 additional responses to 2 other students with substantive information about their posts. More than, nice to meet you, for example, for this unit. Make a connection with them, ask them questions, get to know them better. This is your chance. Then here's the Dear Abby letters. You can do it in a PDF file if you want. Otherwise, there's the Word document that you can go in and type directly on. Your written responses should be a minimum of 2,200 words. There's no maximum. And this is for the entire assignment, not per response, because there's 9 responses total. It's for the whole collective document. Here's the observations and development. You open up the study guide. It gives you directions about watching the clips and what questions to answer. And then again, here's the reflective journal. So as you can see, this is the same as we open Unit 2 on this left column here. It's the same for all the units. Let me pick up 5 and 6 here so it's not too much. And let me close Unit 1 so you can see. So Unit 2, notes from instructor, which will be added. The 3 chapters that we go over and all the assignments. So it's organized the same way, unit after unit. So if you have questions about iLearn, if you need more details about it, let me go in to, I don't think I can show you in this. So the feedback, I don't think I can show you where you receive your feedback. When you see graded material, there will be a teacher document that I will upload, typically in a PDF file, that I have handwritten my comments on. If also, I will sometimes put feedback in like the comments box in the graded assignment, so you can access that as feedback. If you have any more questions about iLearn, there's tutorials available for you, but you can also ask me, and I'll be more than willing to help you out and work through the problem with you. Again, my contact information is provided right here, as well as in the earlier part of this video. So please use it and email me and ask me any questions. Good luck, everyone!